very basic here, okay, sometimes. Someone asked me yesterday, how do I create a GUID, or a RefID in that case? There's two ways you can do it. CIFWorks ADK provides you a function, that's there. That's the one you can use. But depending where you create your RefID, you might not want to use that. The reason is, let's say you've got a business logic layer that takes care of everything. And in the Central School project, that's the way we had it, is I just go, give me my students for that school. And the business logic returns me the student as a nice object with RefID. But underneath it meant, when it retrieves the student for the first time, oh, I don't have a GUID. I have to create one and store it back to my mapping table. I had to create a GUID. And the last thing I want in my business logic is any CIF objects or libraries or so. It's a business logic. Anyone should be able to call that without, even if it's not an agent. If they have a front end and create a new student from a front end, I still want RefID being generated underneath. But I don't want any CIFWorks ADK code in my business logic because it has nothing to do with a CIF agent, it's business logic. So I wrote a little other method which you can use in the Java world again. Sorry guys, I'm not sure if there's a similar thing on the .NET. But
yeah, it's just GUID.
So, yeah, no, we don't.
Yeah.
The .NET version doesn't use that. There's also in the Java world, it's got systemic packages from
things we've written already use.
Yeah, but the .NET doesn't have those packages.
Yep.
So that's what it's referring to at this point.
Yep. So the systemic framework has a little method in there, GUID generated get random GUID. And it generates you a GUID of that form required for CIF. But that means you don't have any any ADK or framework related code in your business logic. I think that answers the question for you yesterday. I couldn't remember what it was called, but here we go. Okay. Anything you want to know about CIF, RefID, or concerns or questions you have before I go to the next?